Hank Vaiden, Hank's Barbecue. What we're gonna do today is a Brie grilled cheese with bacon and caramelized onions on a French bread. Super easy to do in your backyard, a lot of fun and great meal. For a change of pace when you're in the backyard barbecuing, instead of doing your chicken wings and your ribs and your burgers, try something different like a grilled cheese. Today we did a grilled cheese with caramelized onions on a French bread. What we did first is we took the butter, of course, and slathered the bread. We added to that Brie cheese, and then we drizzled the cheese with honey and seasoned it with our light AP rub, giving the cheese a little flavor, a little sweetness. Then we come back with that with grilled bacon and put it on top of it. Topped it with some caramelized onions. Put it together and put it on the smoker till you get a good crispy crust on your bread. The cheese is nice and melted. You want to cook at a pretty high temperature. But you got to watch it pretty close, because what you want to do is get a good char on your bread, let your cheese get good and melted, everything's nice and gooey, and it's a really quick cook, real simple cook, real diverse cook, and breaks up the monotony of grilling in the backyard. Stay tuned for the next video coming up. It's gonna be good. Roll Tide.